At the end of the video, you'll find a valuable gift. It's a quality business plan template that you can download and easily modify to prepare a professional business plan for your business. If you are new to this channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button for more videos like this. Starting a cleaning business can be a rewarding venture, but like any business, it requires careful planning and execution. Here are 10 tips to help you get started. 1. Research and planning. Conduct thorough research on the cleaning industry in your area. Identify your target market and competitors. Create a detailed business plan outlining your goals, target market, services, pricing, and financial projections. 2. Legal considerations. Register your cleaning business and choose a suitable business structure, e.g., sole proprietorship, LLC. Obtain any necessary licenses and permits required in your locality. Get liability insurance to protect your business in case of accidents or damages. 3. Specialize your services. Consider specializing in specific types of cleaning services, such as residential, commercial, post-construction, or eco-friendly cleaning. Tailor your services to meet the needs of your target market. 4. Quality equipment and supplies. Invest in high-quality cleaning equipment and supplies to ensure efficient and effective cleaning. Consider eco-friendly cleaning products to appeal to environmentally conscious clients. 5. Professional image. Create a professional and memorable brand identity, including a logo and business cards. Develop a professional-looking website that includes information about your services, contact details, and customer testimonials. 6. Networking and marketing. Network with local businesses and individuals to build a client base. Utilize online and offline marketing strategies, such as social media, local advertising, and community events. Offer promotions or discounts to attract initial customers. 7. Customer service. Provide excellent customer service to build a positive reputation. Communicate clearly and promptly with clients. Encourage and respond to customer feedback to continuously improve your services. 8. Effective pricing. Research pricing in your area and set competitive yet profitable rates. Consider offering package deals or discounts for recurring clients. 9. Employee training. If you plan to hire employees, provide thorough training on cleaning techniques, professionalism, and customer service. Conduct background checks and ensure your team is reliable and trustworthy. 10. Time management. Develop efficient cleaning routines to maximize productivity. Schedule appointments and manage your time effectively to meet client expectations. Remember that building a successful cleaning business takes time and dedication. Focus on providing excellent service, building positive relationships with clients, and continuously improving your operations. That concludes the video. Now it's time you get your free business plan template. Go to the description below this video to get it now. It is completely free, no strings attached. Thanks for watching. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe so you don't miss any future content.